Welcome to Multan. It is called the City of Saints. Multan is in Pakistan. It's a city full of history. Multan has beautiful buildings and rich traditions. Multan is very special. Come explore Multan with me. Multan is very old. It has seen many things. It was ruled by many people. Alexander the Great came here, so did the Mughals. This city has many stories to tell. Multan is spiritual. It is a city of saints. People come here to pray. They visit the shrines. They feel peace here. Let's discover Multan together. It is waiting for you. Multan is a city of faith, a place where spirituality and history intertwine seamlessly, and you can feel it in the air, a gentle whisper of devotion that touches every corner of the city. There are many shrines here, each one a testament to the city's rich spiritual heritage. They are very beautiful, adorned with intricate designs and vibrant colors. People come to pray and find peace, seeking solace and a connection to the divine in these sacred spaces. The shrine of Bahauddin Zakaria is special, a beacon of spiritual light that draws pilgrims from near and far. He was a Sufi saint, a revered figure whose teachings continue to inspire and guide many. People come from far away to visit, embarking on journeys of faith and devotion. The shrine is peaceful and beautiful, a sanctuary where one can reflect and find inner peace. The Shah Rukn-e-Alam Tomb is amazing. The dome is blue, a striking feature that stands out against the sky. It shines in the sun, its brilliance, a symbol of the enduring legacy of faith. You can see it from far away. It's a famous landmark, a proud emblem of Multan's spiritual and cultural identity. The shrine of Shamsuddin Sabswari is peaceful, a place where tranquility and reverence meet. It is decorated with beautiful tiles, each one telling a story of devotion and artistry. You can feel the history here, a palpable sense of the past that enriches the present. So many people have come to pray in this place. These shrines are special, each one a beacon of hope and faith. They remind us of the power of faith, a force that transcends time and space. They are a beautiful part of Multan, a city where faith truly illuminates the soul. Multan has a long and rich history that spans thousands of years. You can see it everywhere you look, in every corner of the city. There are old buildings, forts and tombs that stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. These structures tell the story of Multan, a city that has seen empires rise and fall. The Multan Fort is particularly amazing. It is very old, dating back to ancient times. It has seen many battles and has withstood the test of time. Now it's a peaceful place where people come to reflect and enjoy the beauty of history. You can walk on the ancient walls and imagine the past, feeling the echoes of history beneath your feet. The Ghantaghar is another iconic landmark. It is a clock tower that stands tall in the heart of the city. Built by the British during their rule, it serves as a reminder of a different era. Today, it's a popular spot for both locals and tourists, a place where the past meets the present. It's a popular place to meet, relax, and take in the historical ambience. The Multan Museum is another fascinating place to visit. It houses artifacts from long ago, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who lived here centuries ago. You can learn about the rich history of Multan and the diverse cultures that have shaped it. Even the streets of Multan tell stories with their old-world charm and bustling markets. As you walk through these streets, imagine the countless people who have walked here before you, each leaving their mark on the city's history. Multan is a city that remembers its past, cherishing its heritage while moving forward into the future. Section 4. The Rhythms of Life, Culture and Recreation in Multan. Multan is a city full of life. The streets are busy with people from all walks of life, bustling with energy and vibrancy. The city is a melting pot of cultures where tradition meets modernity. There are markets and parks that offer a glimpse into the daily lives of the locals. People are friendly and welcoming, always ready to share a smile or a story. The sense of community here is strong and palpable. The Husainagahi Bazaar is particularly exciting. It's a bustling marketplace where you can find a variety of goods from traditional handicrafts to modern-day essentials. It's full of colors and smells that tantalize the senses. The vibrant hues of fabrics, the aroma of spices, and the chatter of vendors create an atmosphere that's both chaotic and charming. You can buy almost anything here, from intricate jewelry to delicious street food. The bazaar offers a shopping experience like no other. It's a great place to experience local life and immerse yourself in the culture of Multan. The interactions you have here will leave a lasting impression. The Multan Arts Council is another cultural gem. This cultural center is a hub for artistic expression and creativity. They have art exhibits and performances that showcase the rich cultural heritage of the region. From traditional music to contemporary art, there's something for everyone. It's a great place to experience the arts in Multan. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just looking to explore, the Multan Arts Council offers a unique cultural experience. Looking for peace and quiet? Visit the Chenab River, take a boat ride along its serene waters and enjoy the tranquil surroundings, or relax by the water, soaking in the natural beauty and calmness. The river provides a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's a beautiful place to spend an afternoon, whether you're alone with your thoughts or sharing the moment with loved ones. The Botanical Gardens and Bosun Road Park are peaceful too. Take a walk through these green spaces and enjoy the flowers, the fresh air and the tranquility they offer. It's a great way to escape the city, noise and reconnect with nature. The parks are perfect for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or simply unwinding amidst the greenery. Section 5. A feast for the senses. Exploring Multan's culinary delights. Multan is a treat for your taste buds. The food is delicious. There are so many flavors to try. Don't miss the local specialties. You must try Multani Sohan Halwa. It's a sweet treat made with sugar, nuts and butter. It's delicious. The local cuisine is amazing. Try the spicy curries and the fresh bread. The flavors are incredible. Don't forget the street food. Try the samosas and pakoras. They are fried snacks, perfect for a quick bite. Food is a big part of life in Multan. Be sure to enjoy all the flavors. Section 6. Unveiling the magic unique experiences in Multan. Multan has some unique experiences, things you won't find anywhere else. These experiences will stay with you. Attend a Sufi Qawwali session. It's spiritual music. The music is beautiful and moving. It's a powerful experience. Want to experience local life? Try a horseback or camel ride. It's a fun way to see the countryside. Multan has colorful festivals. See the celebrations. Experience the culture. It's a unique way to experience Multan. These experiences are special. They will make your trip to Multan unforgettable. Section 7. Multan awaits. An invitation to discover. Multan is a city with a soul. It's full of history, spirituality and culture. It's a place that will stay with you. Come and experience Multan for yourself. Explore the shrines, discover the history, enjoy the food. Multan is waiting to welcome you. It's an adventure you won't forget.